From Andrea Guolo in Italy, David Holtz in Brazil, and Don Oshman, our editor-in-chief in North America. It's time for another edition of the Sunday Night Week in Review Market Roundup presented by HydeNet, where knowledge creates profits.
Good evening. It's time once again for another Sunday Night Market Report Week in Review. And my name is Don Oshman, editor-in-chief and publisher of HydeNet Publications. As you can see behind me, I hope you can see behind me, we're in Las Vegas, Nevada, as we are twice a year for the Platform part of the Magic Show. And Platform is getting bigger and bigger every year and better as more and more footwear brands show their wares to the nation's retailers that attend. So it's a big show, and we're going to cover it for you. Lately, we'll have our wrap-up at the end of the show Wednesday by Scott Oshman, who walks the show and talks to all the people about the leather components and so on and so forth. And also, we're going to have an interview tomorrow at the HydeNet Forum, which will be on the HydeNet website and will be on YouTube, the HydeNet channel, with a representative from Adidas about the forthcoming really big forum. The big show, as he used to say on Ed Sullivan, the big show in Shanghai on August 30th, just before the ACLE starts on Monday. Our forum will be on Sunday in the afternoon in conjunction with APLF, Logical Media Consultant, sponsored by Prime Asia and Alp Chemical Company. Meanwhile, back to the market. U.S. steer market again went up this week, anywhere between $1 and $4. It's amazing. Texas steers now surpassed $75 CNF and are approaching $76 and $77. But volume is limited, and it suspects that much of the buying is done by traders who have been successful bouncing off the bottom in the last month. Texas steers were up, by the way, about $10 in 4 weeks. And this is spurring it, and everybody wants to have hides when they go to visit their customers on the way to Shanghai and around China and other areas in the Far East, and to have something to show and sell at the fair. If the fair doesn't go well, this great upswing in Texas or other American steers could go down again. That remains to be seen. We'll see what happens in Shanghai, where we continue to bring you broadcast on live broadcast. Dairy cows are up this week about $1. Branded cows, which are really only produced in relatively small quantity, are still flat. There's not much demand for branded cows, but some people think that it's because of the overlap or overhang or overabundance of Brazilian TR, which is causing branded cows not to go anyplace. That remains to be seen. That's some people's opinion. Meanwhile, branded cows aren't selling very well. Dairy cows are good. Low grades are slow. Small packers are slow. And sorry, folks, a little technical difficulty here. I hope you can still see us. So that's what's going on in the United States this week. And kills are remain low. A little bit of pickup now for the Labor Day holiday. But in the meantime, the kill is not doing anything special. It's going to be down. It's down 6.9% compared to last year at this time for the year to date. Exports were okay this week, not terrific. Last week was a barn burner, as we say. Brazil this week, green prices were steady, and the TR1 prices were also steady. Same thing in Argentina, but in Argentina, the kill is down because of flooding in the Buenos Aires area. So we got lower kills in Argentina. We're having, some people say, 20% less hides in Brazil this year. I don't know. That remains to be seen. But there's a less slaughter and less demand, because even though prices were steady in Brazil and steady in Argentina so far, they think that it's coming. Automotive business has slowed down for the Argentinians. Of course, Brazilians can't sell to Europe, only to China, and everybody's waiting for the ACLE show and our HydeNet forum, but not just that, and the APLF and LMC portion, but what's going to happen in Shanghai. Probably more important this year than most years. That's all we have for tonight. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next week, same time, same station. Thank you. Bye.